Cops usually don't perform pit maneuvers on bikers, since it can lead to serious consequences, but this officer felt it was necessary. Keep in mind that running from the cops is dangerous and extremely illegal. It puts everyone at risk. Most of the times, it never ends well.
He tried to hit you! Bro, I got it! Yo! No, shut it off. Shut it off, because you're trying to run on me.
No, I didn't. I have my camera running.
Yeah. What'd you do?
What do you mean? I just got done eating.
Nope, what'd you do? You just tried to go off, right?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, and you popped the clutch and now you're beat for it.
No, what are you talking about? From where?
So license, registration, proof of insurance.
My camera's been rolling the whole time.
Yeah, that's fine. You just blew the road down.
What road? I've been cruising
Right here.
I've been cruising.
I just watched you do it. You're gonna get a ticket for your modified exhaust. Okay, so that's that one. All right, that's the price of it. You can either pay it. You got your options right here. You can go to court and fight it. There's that. Okay, and you're also getting a ticket for What's that?
Your name is on this?
Yeah. Again, I'm Officer Acevedo, Tampa Police Department. My badge number is 276. Okay, and then you're getting a ticket for careless driving. Okay. So again, if you'd like, okay, you either pay it or you got your options on the right hand side. You can go to court and fight it. If you do,
you know you're
great.
wrong, right?
Again, you literally showed me on your video.
Wrong.
Okay, so
I'm gonna take it to court, but I'm just letting
that's
you know
fine.
You know you're wrong.
So go ahead and bring that to court.
I will.
So it can literally show. You literally showed it to me. It's your own evidence, man.
You know this has a speed on it, right?
Man.
That's where you messed up at.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll see you in court, brother, man. I'm free to go.
No problem. Yeah, you're good to go. I'd advise you to operate the motorcycle normal and follow all speed limits. All right, get home safe.
Let's all be real. Even cops can sometimes make mistakes. Having a camera on at all times while riding can save you. If you ever fight a ticket in court, your footage can be deciding evidence. It's a small thing that can make a huge difference when it really counts.
Hey, I'm sorry. I won't do that again.
Alright.
Hey, I'm sorry. I won't do that again. I don't know. I was just trying to show off for the skate park kids.
While trying to show off a sick wheelie to some nearby kids, this biker got spotted by the cops. He thought a quick apology would get him out of the trouble, but this officer wasn't having it. He wanted to teach this biker a lesson.
Yeah,
that's honestly. No, I did not see you at all, I swear.
I was sitting there right there looking at the skate park, actually.
Oh, shoot. I did not see you. I'm sorry. I wouldn't do that normally, you know. All right. Thank you.
But right off the bat, you start apologizing because you knew what you did was dumb.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
And unfortunately, things like that, where we do dumb stuff like that, is when things happen that we can't change. Whether that's you crashing, hurting yourself, or a kid running out, or who knows what. So you are being cited today for careless driving.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. I mean, you got me. Sorry. So.
Okay. Ride safe. I ride normally on duty every day.
I mean, I wasn't doing it on like super busy road. There was literally no other cars on the road. And I mean, I'm not stupid. I know I am in control. I know it looks reckless or careless or whatever, but like I'm in control 100%. I can slow down, speed it up, turn left, right, just by leaning my weight around. And like I swear, I know it looks bad, but for me, like I've been practicing this in empty parking lots for so long, getting kicked out of every single parking lot I go to. I'm sorry, I get mad because it's like I can't have fun. You know, you guys are just killing it, and it's. I go to this other spot over here, nobody's ever on that road, and it's not even like a real road. It's like a access road for construction businesses, and like they've been cool with me for so freaking long, and of course all of a sudden some random lady's like, hey, don't do this please. I'm like, okay, I'm out of here. Like, I'm super respectful. I'm not
Well, I don't.
It's just upsetting.
There's places where you can go around, race, do wheelies, do whatever, like on tracks and different things.
Yeah, I know, but that all costs like $150 to go to a track. More than that, honestly, because you have to get. And I wouldn't even do wheelies on a track. I would be going fast on a track. So like, I mean, I totally understand. Like, it's not allowed on the roads and public roads, and this is what I got for it. But you know, it's my first freaking citation.
Well, let's make it the last.
Yeah, I mean,
especially on motorcycles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, man. Hey.
You got your license on you now?
Can I ask what for?
Stunt you guys are pulling back there.
So what was that?
That stunt you guys are pulling back there.
You guys. That's plural. I didn't do anything.
When a cop spots one biker doing something wrong, they usually assume that all nearby bikers are together. And most of the time, they'll stop the entire group just to make sure everyone gets a message.
Wait, are you with him?
Well, no, you pulled out and you put your lights on, so I think that means stop, right?
You with him.
So am I good to go?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I haven't talked with him because that was not necessary.
All right.
Yes! Yes!
Your license plate's not readable, man.
Oh.
No! No! No!
That's definitely not readable.
Oh, never hit dirt roads, so I can fix that. I pay my taxes.
You're with him. You can stay here and I'm done talking to him. I'm not trying to be or nothing, but
Oh, I understand, sir. It is what it is.
especially when there's someone staying on the side of the road.
No, you gotta look the right kind of way. I get it.
All right, man. You guys have a good one.
Thank you, sir.
Be safe out there.
Will do.
Riding without plates puts a big target on your back. These officers didn't waste a second after spotting this rider, because no plates usually means one of two things. The bike is about to run or the bike is completely illegal, but in this case, it was neither.
How's it going? Just stopping, you got no plate on your bike. Pardon? Okay, can you show it to me? Is this your friend? Let's get him out of here. Give us a second. Hop off for a second. I appreciate your honesty. You take your, you pop your helmet off. I thought you were going to take off.
Everybody that's really good, but
Give me a sec.
My photographer. Well, let's not also get a red light ticket too. Oh, okay. I'm a good girl. I swear.
Don't hop off the bike when you get pulled over. Just stay on the bike.
Oh.
So you don't have to get back on now.
Oh.
Usually you just chill.
Okay. Hey.
Have you ridden a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Okay.
2 years.
Typically, you stay on the bike because getting off gets our blood pressure going.
Oh, sorry.
Because we think you want to run or you want to fight.
Oh.
So right here is a nice position of disadvantage for you.
Oh.
So we don't have to fight.
Okay.
Cool?
Okay, cool.
Just
yeah.
giving you some knowledge for the next
Thank
go around.
you. I've never been pulled over on my bike.
Nice educational stop then.
I'm getting told right now.
We'll get you out of here.
Yes.
Can I snap a photo of this real quick?
Please.
Hey, go ahead. Part of it. That's what a photographer's supposed to do. Well, You want me to be super mad?
Yeah, go for it.
All the gangsters would do this for years in Texas because they would just print them and then just drive all sorts of stolen cars.
I'm a gangster.
Getting pulled over on a bike doesn't have to be a bad experience. This officer made it educational and interesting for this rider, proving that not every stop has to end in tension.
It looks like you want us.
While filling up, these bikers got approached by a cop who caught an eye on their expired plates. To avoid getting yourself in situations like this, make sure your bike is 100% street legal before you hit the road.
Gentlemen, your plates are super expired. What I need is your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
Yeah, I was headed there right now to go get that actually.
I believe you. 100%.
I didn't bring my card on me. Every
You
time
have to have your driver's license on you when you're operating a motor vehicle.
Every time I carry the wallet, I've lost like 3 wallets on my.
You should get a zippered pocket.
Well, I got the fanny pack. I actually just picked up the fanny pack from Iron Pony. So.
Okay. So one more time, once you hop off. Hey, Jameson, you can scrape that dirt off there so I can read your license plate. Thank you, sir.
I have a CDL, so I understand what I'm doing. I'm just hope you're not.
You don't need a CDL for that.
No, you give me tickets, gonna be a knife in my. That's what I mean by I have a CDL. It's just something that I've been.
Violation.
Say again?
I said it's an equipment violation. Why would that affect?
Yeah, I don't think it gets you any points. Just
No, it hurts for their insurance. Sorry,
So
I'm talking to somebody.
you have a CDL and you're worried about getting your driver's license, but you're driving a motor vehicle with a tucked up, damaged hideaway plate that's expired from last year, and you want me to do something about it?
Yeah,
You're having to get your CDL, what do you do?
I drive trucks. I mean, it's.
Really? You drive trucks?
Yeah. What do you do? You know what I mean? Like.
This guy wants to know what I do.
I mean, it was
I'm a police officer.
It was sarcasm.
Wait, you have to get your own fine?
Well, it looks like he's not giving me a ticket.
Yeah.
No, it's such a shit, I swear to God. Like, Lexington cops are the biggest.
wait, were you mouthing off to him? Why?
Oh, he's getting speedy, he's getting speedy, he's getting speedy. Go on, mate, keep up. Oh, he's getting speedy.
This biker was lucky to be pulled over by a constable officer, because if it had been regular police, he would have been going to the jail. Take a look.
Also, I forgot to advise you, you have a warrant out for your arrest.
A what?
For the city of El Paso.
Really?
Yeah, with PD. If PD was here right now, if I was PD, I would take you and your bike to jail.
For what?
It's a warrant already. So you know what? Take care of that.
Guys, how you doing?
Yeah, how about you?
Good, man. So, I don't know, how old are you guys?
I'm 16.
Okay. So listen, guys, I'm jealous of the bikes. I never had these when I was growing up. But just to let you guys know, so you guys are trespassing, okay?
Oh, we are?
So there's a sign right there. So you guys are on the Gila River Indian community.
Wait, are we able to like stay on this road?
On this road?
Yeah, because I was the latest. We were just chilling on the road.
So as far as this road, guys, obviously, you know, you got to treat it like a regular, you know, like
yeah.
road where you can't be doing wheelies, all that good stuff, okay? So, you know, you can't, none of that right here, okay?
All right.
It's like reckless driving. I'm gonna give you guys a warning, okay? And if I see you guys and other guys again, it's going to be a ticket. And what I can also do is, if I was really like a jerk,
Impound the bike.
I can seize these bikes, and then your parents would have to pay for them. They have to first go to court, which is a lot of money. Then you got to pay the fees for the tow yard. All right. I think your parents would not like that. Okay. Yeah. So just please help me help you. Just leave the area, go back to Ahwatukee. I mean, you guys are more welcome to drive like the regular road.
Okay.
No wheelies, none of that. Okay. And then nothing can't go back in this all area right here. Okay.
All right.
Fair enough. I mean,
yeah, that's good.
Can we do that at least?
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Let your friends know. Seriously, guys, if you guys can do that for me. All right.
I got you.
Okay, guys.
All right. Later.
This is how it should be done. Instead of being arrogant and aggressive, this officer calmly explained what they can and cannot do.